Unit 5, TV and Radio.
TV shows vocabulary with examples. Documentaries. I love watching documentaries because we can learn about new things. My favorite is a series about nature and animals.
Game show. I watch a game show every weekend with my family. I think the presenter is very funny. I like it when the contestants win big prizes.
The presenter asked the contestants some questions.
Contestants. The contestants answered quickly to win the prize.
News. I always listen to the news. I think it's important to understand the events in your country and listen to business reports. You can find out about your sports team too.
Events. The TV showed the latest events in the city.
Business reports. He listens to business reports in the morning.
Soap operas. I enjoy watching soap operas because they are similar to real life and I like the characters. I usually watch TV on my laptop in my room.
Characters. The main character in this drama is very funny.
Talk shows. I sometimes watch talk shows. The guests are really interesting. You can learn about their lives and new films or new music.
Guests. The singer was a special guest on the program.
Experts. The experts explained the health problem clearly.
Reality TV show. Many teenagers enjoy watching reality TV shows.
I'm a sports fan, so I watch a lot of sports on TV. I enjoy listening to the experts talking about the results, too.
Drama show. I prefer watching a drama show instead of a comedy.
Talking about programs you listen to or watch.
I enjoy listening to a program called Fashion Today. It's a documentary series. It's about clothes and the fashion industry. It's presented by different models each week. I like learning about the different fashions.
In my country, reality TV shows are very popular. My favorite show is Hello Hotel. The participants are famous people. They work in the hotel. The thing I like best is the hotel manager. He's always angry.
I often watch a drama series called Patrol. It's set in London. It stars some famous actors. It's about the police. It's very exciting. I think it's good entertainment.